Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already started our chapter number 2 and we have finished the exercise till the page number 22. We will move on to the next page. On the page number 23, you will find out the next activity. Lazy, crazy, sharp. Okay, so what is this? Let's figure it out. This is the jungle shark. Lazy, crazy gives things only in packets of tens, hundred, and loose item. Okay, so here is a shop and where you will find out some of the dialogues. A bunch of 20 bananas, please. A deal only in 100 and tens and ones. Okay. So उसने बोला sorry. So next, find out how many packets of tens, 100 and loose items each animal will take. Fill in the blanks. Here is a carrot. Carrot 143. Okay, a packet of 100, a packet of 10. How many? 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And loose item 1, 2 and 3. So this way they will find out the packets of 100, tens and loose items. Here next is an elephant and the number is 210. So how will you loosen this number or how will you bifurcate this number in the group of 100 tens and loose item? Okay, so here what will you do? You will get two group of 100 and 10. One group of 10 and there is nothing in loose item. Next is 242. So here 100, 242, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 2. 1, 1. Next is a deer. Here there are some bunch of leaves. Can you find out? And the number is 552. So here you will get the bunch of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 2. 1, 2. Understood? So this way you can bifurcate the numbers in 100, tens and ones. Basically this activity is based on that. Each and every number will be bifurcated in 100, tens and ones like this. Turn your page number 24 where you will find out the activity. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 notes, 10s note and 1 coin of rupees 1. Now find out how they will pay him for that they have taken. Okay, again we have to bifurcate this amount in rupees 100 note, rupees 10 note and rupees 1 coin. So here can you see that the amount paid by an elephant is rupees 420. So where you will find out there are 400 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 400, 20, 20. So 10 and 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So here you have to learn count the numbers orally. ये practice करनी ही करनी है. It is the exercise for that purpose only, that you will learn how to count orally. Okay. 143. So 100, 40, 40. That means 10, 20, 30, 40. And 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 rupees coin. 3 coins of rupees 1. So it makes rupees 3. Next is a monkey. Paid rupees 242. So how will he pay? He will give 2 notes of 100 rupees, 4 notes of rupees 10 and 2 coins of rupees 1. So it becomes 242. Now a deer paid rupees 555. So in this case he will give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 notes of rupees 10 and the 5 coins of rupees 1. So this way they will pay money to the shopkeeper. Now next, who am I? Match with the number. Okay, so here is a activity. I came between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. Okay, between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. Number name होगा उसमें उसका 5 आता है and the number is between 40 and 50. So these are some riddles and you have to find out. So the number is 45 in which you will get the 5 in its name. Number B, I have 9 in my name and am very close to 90. Okay, very close to 90 and 9 in its name. That means 89. Okay, 9 in its name and it is very close. After 89, there will be 90. If you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. Okay, century means 100. I have already explained, right? So after 4 number there will be 100. So which number is that? Observe from this. That number would be 96. 96 plus 400. After 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. See, we count the 4 cards and we reached at 100. Number D, I am equal to 10 notes of 10. Equal to 10 notes of 10. So that would be 100. Okay. 10 notes of rupees 10. 10 tens are 100. So this way you will find out. I am century plus half century. Century means 100 and half century means 50. So what will be the answer? 150. Here is the answer, 150. F, I am exactly in between 77 and 97. So that would be 87. Fine. So we'll move to the next page, where we will find out page number 25, where will we find out how many are this. See, this kind of activity we have done on the previous page. Okay, how many rupees? 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's 240 rupees. 240. Next, we will count the matchsticks. 100, 200, 300, 10, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 319 sticks. Here is a box of 100. Okay, 100 plus 100. 200. 10 plus 2. 12. 212 blocks. Here are some beads. These are beads of 100. Here is bead group of 10. So 100, 10, 20, 30. Count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. These are 138 beads. Now count the notes 100, 200, 300. And at 20, 20, 10 and 20. So 320 rupees. Open your workbook where you will find out one exercise, expand the number as per example. So here what we have to do, you have to write down the number in expanded form in 100, tens and ones. Fine. So one example has been done and we will do it from the first number. So here 200 means 100 plus 100. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 plus 7. Okay. So this is 257. So this way you will write down 200. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, it's super easy. Now number 3, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 9. ओके जैसे मैं दिखा रही हूँ बिल्कुल वैसे ही लिखना है आपको. फाइन. सो हियर इज नाउ 100. Make a smaller. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 10, 10 and 10. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 1 inside it. So this is the expanded form of 149. Next, number 2. 172. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 2. So let's write down 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. So here is 10, 10, 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's super easy. Super easy. बहुत easy है ये. See here, the number is 234. Fine. So what will you do? You will write down first expanded form. 100, 200, 30, 10, 20, 30 plus 4. So here is 100, 200, 200, then 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 and the 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 234. Write down the expanded form. 333. 100, 200 and 300. 10, 20, 30 plus 3. Okay. So what will you do? Here 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Next, number 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are very simple and the easiest exercise, just like before. Okay, so what will you do? You will do this thing in homework. ये आपको homework में करना है. Okay, later on I will explain these 4 things in our live lecture session. Okay, so make sure you should attend the lectures as well, live lecture. Fine. On the next page, page number 36, here are the numbers. Again, you have to expand the number like 500. So what will you do for this? Sorry, 500. So 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500 plus 50, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 plus 3. So now we are going to make potlies of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2 and 3. So you write down here 100, 10, and 1, 2 and 3. Next is a 500, 400. Fine. So that's super easy. 100, 200, 300 and 400. Okay, so here is, now you will make potlies. 100, 200, 300, 400. 100, 100. Fine, so write down properly. 100, 100, 100. Fine. Next, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will do it in homework. Fine. Next, number 33 exercise. Who am I? Identify and match. That's super easy exercise. We have done this kind of exercise in the textbook only. So, I am formed by adding 6 in 40. Adding 6 in 40, that it would be 46. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Here we are going to write down the answer like this. Number 1, 46, I. I am formed by subtracting 1 from 9090. Matlab, we have to write down the before number. What is before 90? 89. Here is G. Number 2 is G. Adding 4 in me, I score century. किसमें 4 add करोगे? You will get 100. So it's a 96, which is F. 96 में 4 add करोगे, you will get 100. 100 means century. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. 10 notes of 10 matlab 100. So where is 100? Here is H. Write down this way in your workbook. आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करके मैचिंग करना नहीं है. I am century plus half century. Century means 100 and half century means 50. So 150. Where is it? It is J. I am formed by subtracting 10 from 97. Okay, subtraction करते हैं. 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 9 minus 1, 8, 87. Here is a B. See, these are now riddles. This will become in any of the form. This would become in MCQ. This would become in fill in the blanks. This would become in the match following. This would become in the form of question answer. Okay. So this kind of question will be asked in any of the form in your paper. So please make sure you should be used to with this kind of question. Okay. Riddle kind of question. I am the greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number. In greatest number you will get only 9. Combination of 9. Greatest number में हमेशा सिर्फ 9 number के combination होते हैं. So here they ask about 2-digit number. So 9 and 9. That would be A. Number 8. I have 5 in my hundreds, tens and ones place. See, all the 3 places having 5, 5 and 5. So it means 555, which is answer E. I am the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest number. Again, I told you in greatest number, you will get the combination of 9 only. Here, they will ask about 3-digit numbers. So, you will put 9 3 times, which is the answer D. So, number 9 का आंसर होगा D. My ones and 100 digit is 7. Ones and 100 digit. So, at the ones place, they are having 7. At the 100 place, yeah, they are having 7. So, 707, which is answer C. Clear? So this way you will write down in your workbook as well. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको. On the next page, where you will find out question number 34. A joker has 3 balloons. Which 3 balloons? 5, 7 and 9. Written on it. Obtain various 3-digit numbers by different arrangements of these balloons and do as per the instructions. Okay, so what they have asked, obtain various 3-digit numbers by different arrangement of these balloons and do as per instruction. Only using these 3 numbers, you have to arrange it as per the requirement. Okay, the numbers obtained. Which numbers I obtained by arranging these 3 numbers? Okay. You have to arrange these 3 numbers in a such a way that you will get the different number. One number is 579. Now I am going to change the place. 759. Okay. Now I am going to change 959. 57. Okay, again 795. Then then 957, 795, 597, 975. So total you will get the sixth number. See, fine. Here, what did I do? I just exchanged the digits and make a new number, which is now number 2, which is the greatest number from the number obtained. Okay, ये सारे numbers है, उसमें greatest number find out करना है. So which number? So there definitely what will you do? For that you will arrange the number in descending order. So that is 975. That's the greatest number. Our next question is, which is the smallest number from the number obtained? So here we got the 6 numbers. From that we have to find out the smallest number. But you can also find out from this, as well as the another method is to arrange the given numbers in descending order, and you will get the smallest number. Same way for this, you can also find out from the list of the number, as well as to obtain the greatest number. For that you have to arrange the given digit in descending order. 975, these numbers are in descending order. 579, these digits are in ascending order. So this way you will obtain the smallest number and the greatest number from the given digits. Fine. Number 4, write the obtained number in ascending order and write the obtained number in descending order. That's super easy. Whatever, here you got the 6 numbers. All the 6 numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order matlab small to big. So here, can you see that first number is 579, then 597, again 759, 795, and 975. Now descending order is quite easy. You have to just write down the opposite numbers like this: 957, 795, 759, 597, and 579. So this way you will get the ascending order as well as in descending order. Now next, expand the number by using 100, tens and 1 as per the examples. Okay, so this thing we have already done. Here is number 97. So 97, is there any of the 100? No. So we are not going to draw this. I'm going to erase it. Here is 97. So 10. Here we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 tens and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Next is 80. For that, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18. Now 203, 100, 200. 1, 2, and 3. 459. 100, 200, 300, 400, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So here you will get the number 459. Same thing for this. Here you have to make 300, 4 tens and 3 ones. 500, 6 tens, 7 ones. See, the rest of the number you have to finish in homework yourself. Okay? I will show you this example in live lecture, but you have to do it yourself. Okay, this is it for this session. Next time we will do the rest of the exercise. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.